This short story for motivation has got 6 million views in 1 year. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals to voiceovers and more. I came across this idea while scrolling on YouTube looking for channel automation ideas. Then I found this channel which is about short stories for motivation. After doing some research, I found the daily to yearly income of this channel, which you can see on your screen. Let's go for it. Okay, our channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT for 50 YouTube channel names. There are so many to choose from. Dream Chaser. I kind of like this one. Next up, our profile picture. I'm gonna use Stable Diffusion, an open source AI art generator. Let's generate a motivated boy cartoon profile picture. To finish up the branding, we need a banner. I'm just going to use our profile picture and Canva to create a banner. The channel branding is all done by AI. Now the real challenge is making the videos. So the first step for you is to target a specific group of people. For me, I want to target someone who is wasting his time on social media and needs some motivation to start studying. So I came to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me short story ideas for someone who is wasting his time on social media and doesn't want to study, but I want him to read this short story to get motivated and get an idea to start studying. As you can see, ChatGPT will give you some ideas. The social media trap. This story is about a young man who spends all his time scrolling through social media and neglecting his studies. I like this because it's a very interesting idea that we can start with. Now that we have a story idea, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story on it. So once it's done writing the story, all you have to do is just copy the story, and the next step is to create the voice. Go to 11 Labs. I'm going to use this tool because it's free and it's using advanced AI technology to generate the voices that sound like a real person. All you have to do is paste the story that you have created using ChatGPT and then select whatever voice you want.
Tom was a bright student in his class, but lately his grades were slipping and his teachers were worried.
Once you have selected your voice, click here and download the audio. Once it's done downloading, just go to pictory.ai and create a free account. If you already have an account, just click on login and then click on this one, edit videos using text. Now upload the audio that you have just downloaded from 11 Labs. Click on proceed and it's going to take a little time. Click on customize video. Now you can see that AI has already written the subtitles. All you have to do is click on visuals and search for whatever scene you want in your video. You can ask Stable Diffusion to create a social media addicted illustration boy. Copy the image and paste it into the editor. Once you have selected your scene, click on generate video.
Once upon a time, there was a person coming to a new village, relocating, and he was wondering if he would like it there. So he went to a Zen master and asked, "Do you think I will like it in this village?"
Tom was a bright student in his class, but lately his grades were slipping and his teachers were worried. Tom had become obsessed with social media and spent hours scrolling through his news feed, commenting on posts and checking notifications.
Alright, I think this is gonna work. Now we need to create a thumbnail for this video. So for that, you need to come to Canva. I will put all the links in the description and just simply click on YouTube thumbnail. From here, you need to upload your image. Now you can add some text to make it stand out. So take your time to create your thumbnail. Now just click on share and download the thumbnail from here. Now to upload the video, we need a title and description. For that, paste the story and ask ChatGPT to generate the title and description. And boom, everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail, and publish the video. Congratulations! Your channel is ready. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.